Hi Design Besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you 10 design lessons I learned the hard way. Number 1, you explain what you do 10,000 times and people will not still get it. They'll ask you, so you draw websites, are you the one coding it? So the second lesson I learned the hard way is that deadlines multiply when you sleep. You close your eyes for a nap, wake up and suddenly, hey, can we push this by tomorrow? Just a tiny tweak. My dear, it's never tiny, it's never just one. My third lesson is that your best design might never go live. Seriously, you poured your heart, your soul, your smart grid system, right? But guess what? The stakeholder's nephew says he prefers orange. Gone, just like that. The first lesson is that you design 5 versions of the same screen. Yes, and still go back to the first one every time. Version 1 was the chosen one, no? You just didn't believe in her yet. And the fifth lesson, besties, clients will describe emotions instead of feedback. The fifth lesson, besties, clients will describe emotions instead of feedback. It's not giving joy. Can we make it feel more expensive? Something is missing, but I don't know what. And now you're a designer, therapist, and magician at the same time. The sixth lesson I learned is that you will hate your own work at least once a week. Even if everyone claps for it, you'll still be like, ugh, I should have used a different icon. That is growth and overthinking. Well, mostly overthinking. My 7th lesson is that stakeholders will test your patience like it's a live usability session. Can we make the logo bigger? What if we remove the navigation bar entirely? You start asking yourself, is it me? Am I the design problem? The 8th lesson, besties, is that you will spend 45 minutes choosing the right shade of blue and 3 seconds naming the file. The 9th lesson is that user research will humble you. You think your design is intuitive, right? Users will click the background, scroll past the CTA, exit the app and say, I'm confused. And you just nod. My 10th lesson, besties, is that imposter syndrome doesn't care about your years of experience. Yeah, I said that. One day you're feeling like a UX queen. The next, you're Googling, what is UX again? They don't teach you these things in a boot camp. They don't teach them at all. These lessons, you will learn them at 2 a.m. when 10 tabs are open, Figma is lagging, and a client is saying, this one is nice, but can we see another version? But somehow, besties, we keep designing, we keep laughing, we keep telling our layers, you will align today by fire, by force. Because despite the stress, the chaos, and the can we make it pop more, there's still something beautiful about creating experiences that actually work. So tell me, besties, what's a design lesson you had to learn the hard way? Drop it in the comments. Because if you don't just about it, you might just throw our laptops out the window.